In this video, I wanted to take a look at the Devolo Mesh Wi-Fi 2 Whole Home Kit. It's a system designed to cover every corner of your home with wireless internet without leaving any dead spots and ensure fast internet speeds for work and entertainment. At the time of this video, the multi-room kit costs around £300 in the UK. First of all, let's take a look at what's inside the box. The multi-room kit comes with 3 adapters, an Ethernet cable, and some paperwork. Each unit is made of a solid piece of plastic that doesn't seem to break anytime soon. Most of the devices in this category usually take your mains power socket, but the Devolo unit has this pass-through plug, meaning that you can use it just like a regular socket. On the front, we have nicely backlit Wi-Fi and home physical keys. On the top of each unit, there are 2 Ethernet ports for even more flexibility, but I mostly use these Devolo adapters to improve my Wi-Fi connectivity throughout my apartment. The setup process is very easy, as you need to follow a simple step-by-step guide in Devolo Home Network app, which is available on both Android and iOS. Basically, you need to connect 2 of the adapters into the power socket, connect the third one next to the router, then connect it to the router with a provided Ethernet cable, disable Wi-Fi on your router, wait a few minutes, and you're good to go. Within the app, you can see the connected Devolo devices. You can update the software, which takes about 10 minutes, add new devices, rename them, change the Wi-Fi password, and so on. One of the main reasons why I installed a mesh Wi-Fi system was that I have over 50 smart devices that are controlled via Amazon Alexa, and I had issues controlling them with a traditional single router setup. Even though I live in a medium-sized apartment, some of the lights have poor Wi-Fi signal and sometimes they even disconnect from the network. Also, with this amount of smart gadgets connected at the same time, I experienced lag and stutter with other devices like my phone, laptop, and even TV. There can't be anything more annoying than network issues in the middle of your favorite Netflix show. These Devolo devices form a cohesive network for full reception throughout the home. Your Wi-Fi capable devices automatically connect to the strongest access point, so you can be online with the same access data in all rooms and browse as you go from one room to another without your Wi-Fi signal getting weaker. This way, up to 100 end devices are supplied with a maximum gigabit Wi-Fi performance in any room, with a choice of 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. These Devolo units provide speeds up to 1200 megabits. This system has finally solved my smart LED lights and all other devices' connectivity issues, as the Devolo Mesh Wi-Fi set consists exclusively of Wi-Fi units for replacing your existing router Wi-Fi with a pure mesh network. You can also expand it at any time with additional Devolo mesh units, but I found 3 adapters to work just fine in my 65 square meter apartment. It is worth mentioning that the Devolo units use power line as an additional data highway for connecting to one another through ceilings and walls. Transmission of the signal over buildings' power lines provides additional stability and makes Devolo Mesh Wi-Fi the fastest tri-band system in its class. This means the full Wi-Fi signal is available for your applications. Overall, I'm really happy with this Devolo Mesh Wi-Fi system, as it does what it says. It fills in wireless gaps and it lets you experience gigabit Wi-Fi with maximum performance. Most importantly, this Devolo system helped me solve my whole apartment's smart devices connectivity issues, and I have over 50 of them. I also found these devices to be easy to set up and added bonuses like a pass-through socket and 2 Ethernet ports on each of the adapters make the Devolo Mesh Wi-Fi system easy to recommend. What do you think about this Mesh Wi-Fi system? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.